Have you ever felt like you understand English, but when you try to speak, the words just disappear?
Oh my God, yes. It's like your brain freezes, right?
Exactly. You know the words, but they won't come out. It's so frustrating.
Well, today we're going to talk about something that can actually fix that problem. And it's kind of fun too.
It is. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. How are you doing today, Martin?
I'm good, Kate. A little tired though. I stayed up late watching a series.
Again? What series this time?
Don't judge me. It was a cooking show. I couldn't stop watching.
A cooking show? Do you even cook?
Well, no, but I like watching other people cook.
That's so you, Martin. Okay, so today is day 5 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Day 5. We're doing great. If you're new here, welcome. We're doing a challenge to help you speak English better. Every day, we give you one simple task.
And today's task is really interesting. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing. Now, Kate, before we explain, can I just say this method changed my life when I was learning Spanish?
Really?
Yes, I was so bad at speaking Spanish. I could read, I could listen, but speaking? Terrible.
So what happened?
I started shadowing native speakers, and after 2 weeks, people thought I lived in Spain.
Wow, that's amazing.
It really works. But Kate, let me ask you, what exactly is shadowing?
Good question, Martin. Shadowing is super simple. You listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say at the same time.
At the same time?
Yes, like an echo, like a shadow. That's why it's called shadowing.
Oh, I see. So it's not after they speak, it's while they're speaking.
Exactly. You follow them like a shadow. You copy their words, their rhythm, their tone, everything.
That sounds a bit difficult, Kate.
It is at first, but that's the point. It trains your mouth and brain to work together fast.
I love that. Your mouth and brain working together. Because usually my brain knows the words, but my mouth is like, makes confused sound. What?
Yes, that's the problem for so many learners. There's a gap between thinking and speaking.
And shadowing closes that gap.
Exactly, Martin. It closes the gap.
Okay, so before we go deeper, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit the like button. It really helps us.
Yes, and subscribe if you want to improve your English every single day. We post new episodes regularly.
And comment below. Tell us, what's the hardest part of speaking English for you? We read every comment.
We really do. Okay, Martin, so let's talk about how to actually do shadowing.
Yes, because I think some people might be confused. Do I need special materials? Do I need a teacher?
No, that's the beauty of it. You just need your phone or computer.
That's it?
That's it. You find a video or audio of a native speaker talking. It could be a YouTube video, a podcast, a movie scene, anything.
Okay, so step 1, find a native speaker.
Right, but Martin, here's the important part. It should be short. Don't choose a 20-minute video.
How short?
For beginners, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. That's enough.
Oh wow, that's short?
Yes, because you're going to repeat it many times. If it's too long, you'll get tired and give up.
That makes sense. Okay, so step 1, find a short video, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Step 2, listen to it once without repeating. Just listen. Understand the meaning.
So don't shadow yet, just listen.
Correct. Get familiar with it first. Then, step 3, play it again and try to shadow.
So I repeat everything they say at the same time they say it.
Yes, and here's the key, Martin. Don't worry about being perfect.
Don't worry about being perfect?
No. At first, you'll probably miss words. You'll be too slow. That's okay.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
Absolutely. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. You're training your brain and mouth.
I love that. No perfection, just practice.
Exactly. And Martin, you know what I noticed when I started teaching this method?
What?
Most students try to shadow perfectly the first time, and then they feel bad and stop.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yes, so I always tell them just start. Be messy, be slow, it's okay.
That's great advice, Kate, because I think a lot of learners are afraid of sounding bad.
Yes, they're afraid of mistakes, but mistakes are how you learn.
Mistakes are how you learn. I'm going to remember that.
Good. Okay, so let's talk about what to focus on when you shadow.
Yes, because there's a lot happening, right? Words, sounds, speed.
Exactly. So here's what I recommend. First time you shadow, just focus on the words. Try to say the words.
Just the words, okay?
Second time, focus on pronunciation. How do they say each word?
So I'm listening more carefully to the sounds.
Yes. And third time, focus on rhythm and intonation.
Rhythm and intonation, that's the music of the language, right?
Exactly. English has a rhythm. It goes up and down. It's like music.
I love that comparison. Language is like music.
It really is. And when you shadow, you start to feel that music.
So I do it 3 times, once for words, once for pronunciation, once for rhythm?
At least 3 times. But honestly, Martin, the more you do it, the better.
How many times do you recommend?
For just 3 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 times.
5 to 10 times?
I know it sounds like a lot, but remember, it's only 30 seconds to 1 minute of material.
Oh, true. So I'm repeating the same short clip over and over.
Exactly, and that repetition is what makes it work.
Okay, I'm starting to see why this is so powerful.
Right? It's simple, but powerful.
So, Kate, let me ask you something. What kind of videos should people use?
Great question. I recommend something interesting to you. Don't use boring material.
Why?
Because if you're bored, you won't practice. Choose something you enjoy.
That makes sense. So if I like cooking shows, I can use a cooking show.
Absolutely, as long as they're speaking clearly and not too fast.
Okay, so clear speech, not too fast, and interesting to me.
Perfect. Oh, and Martin, one more thing.
What?
Choose native speakers. Don't shadow other learners.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, because you want to learn natural English. Native speakers have the natural rhythm and pronunciation.
Right, if I copy a learner, I might copy their mistakes.
Exactly.
Okay, so let me summarize what we've said so far.
Go ahead.
Step 1. Find a short video, 30 seconds to 1 minute, with a native speaker.
Check.
Step 2. Listen once without repeating.
Check.
Step 3. Play it again and shadow. Repeat what they say at the same time.
Yes.
And do this 5 to 10 times, focusing on words, then pronunciation, then rhythm.
Perfect summary, Martin.
Thanks, Kate. I'm pretty good at summarizing.
You are. Okay, but now let me tell you why shadowing is so effective.
Yes, please, because I think people want to know, why does this work?
Good question. So, when you shadow, you're doing multiple things at the same time.
Like what?
You're listening, you're speaking, you're processing language, and you're moving your mouth muscles.
My mouth muscles?
Yes, your mouth has muscles, Martin, and those muscles need to learn English movements.
Oh, wow, I never thought about that.
Most people don't, but English uses your mouth differently than your native language.
So I'm training my muscles.
Exactly. You're building muscle memory, just like learning to play guitar or type on a keyboard.
That's so interesting. So it's not just mental, it's physical too.
Yes, that's why shadowing is so powerful. It's mental and physical training.
I love that. Okay, so Kate, let me ask you, have you seen real results with your students?
Oh my God, yes. I have so many stories.
Tell me one.
Okay, so I had a student from Japan. Her name was Yuki. Super sweet girl, but she was so shy about speaking.
Shy? Like nervous?
Very nervous. She would shake when she tried to speak English.
Oh no, poor Yuki.
I know. So I told her to try shadowing for just 3 minutes every day.
And did she do it?
At first, she didn't want to. She said, "Kate, I'm too bad at English."
Aw.
I know, but I convinced her to try for 1 week.
And what happened?
After 1 week, she came to class and spoke a full sentence without stopping.
Really?
Yes, she was so surprised. She said, "Kate, the words just came out."
Wow, that's amazing.
And after 1 month, she was having conversations, real conversations.
Just from shadowing?
Well, she did other practice too, but shadowing was the main thing.
That's incredible, Kate.
It really is. And the best part? She's not shy anymore. She loves speaking English now.
I love those stories like that. It shows that anyone can improve.
Anyone. You just need the right method and consistency.
Consistency, that's the key word.
Absolutely. 3 minutes every day is better than 30 minutes once a week.
So true. Small actions, big results.
Exactly, Martin. Okay, so now I want to talk about something important.
What's that?
I think some people might feel embarrassed to shadow.
Embarrassed? Why?
Well, because you're talking along with a video, right? It might feel weird.
Oh, I see what you mean. Like, what if someone hears me?
Exactly. Okay, so here's what I tell my students. Find a private space.
Like your room?
Yes, your room, your car, even the bathroom.
The bathroom.
Hey, good acoustics in there.
That's true. Okay, so find a private space where you feel comfortable.
Right, and remember, everyone feels a little silly at first. That's normal.
But it gets easier?
It gets much easier. After a few days, you won't even think about it.
Okay, good to know.
And Martin, here's another tip.
What?
Use headphones,
Headphones? Why?
because then you can hear your own voice and the native speaker at the same time.
Oh, that's smart.
It helps you match their voice better.
I'm definitely going to try that.
You should. Okay, so we've talked a lot about shadowing, but now let's give our listeners a challenge.
Yes, today's challenge.
Okay, so here it is. Today, right after this podcast, find one short video, 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Any topic?
Any topic you like. Cooking, travel, movies, sports, anything.
Okay, step 1, find a video.
Step 2, shadow it for 3 minutes. That means repeat it 5 to 10 times.
3 minutes total, 5 to 10 repetitions.
Exactly. And step 3,
What?
come back and tell us in the comments, what video did you use? How did it feel?
Oh, I love that. Yes, please comment below. We want to hear from you.
We really do. Your comments motivate us to keep making these podcasts.
And they help other learners too. When you share your experience, other people feel less alone.
So true, Martin.
Okay, so before we finish, Kate, any final tips?
Yes, don't overthink it. Just start. Even if you feel silly, even if you make mistakes, just start.
Just start. I love that.
And remember, 3 minutes. That's all you need today. Everyone has 3 minutes.
Everyone has 3 minutes. That's our motto.
Yes. Okay, so that's day 5 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Tomorrow is day 6. We're going to talk about something really fun.
Ooh, what is it?
I can't tell you yet. It's a surprise.
Martin, don't do this to me.
You'll find out tomorrow.
Fine. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
And don't forget today's challenge, 3 minutes of shadowing.
You can do this. We believe in you.
We really do. You're doing great. Keep going.
See you tomorrow for day 6.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And remember, small steps, big results.
Love that, Martin. Okay, bye for real now.
Bye.